Hey guys, I'm back with another Michael Kors review, and this time this is going to be the Michael Kors Sutton medium satchel, and this is in the color luggage. So let me show you guys the bag. I've been having this bag for a minute. I just haven't, as you can see, carried it yet. But here's the front, here's the sides, and the sides do unsnap. And then here's the back, other side. Here's the bottom. It does have feet on it. And here's the tag. And it retails for $328. Of course, I did not pay that. And then here's the little emblem. And then it says Michael Kors right here. And then has the little... I think, like I said, this does unsnap right here. Give you more room if you need to, more open room. So let me show you guys the inside of the bag. It's actually a pretty neat bag, and it does come with a set of straps so that you can connect it here and then right here, or you can hold it, you know, if you want to hold the bag like that. Like I said, this is a medium, but it's a nice size medium bag. So it's pretty roomy for it to be a medium size bag. So here's the inside of the bag. And this one does come with the little key holder thing also. And then you'll have a zip pocket back here in the back. And then you'll have two pockets here. And then you flip it over and you'll have two pockets there. And then here's the authenticity tag. Like I said, it's a real nice spacious bag. And then also you have a zip here. You unzip this. And then there's some more storage there, which is super neat. And I figure you can keep like probably like some bills or money or whatever you want to keep in there. And then there's another one, so you can keep like extra stuff in there. So there's that. And then it snaps right here. You can snap that together. Oh, you can't see that. You can snap it together right here. There's a magnetic snap so that you can close it. But yeah, y'all, this is the cutest little bag. I don't know if it comes in a large or if it comes in a small. I'm really not sure. But like I said, this is the medium in the color luggage with the gold hardware. So I like that. I guess I need to carry the darn bag. But yeah, y'all, here it is. There's plenty other videos of this bag on here. And it does come in a variety of different colors. The black is really pretty, but I just love, I don't know, something about this luggage color I just really love. Really cute. Let me show y'all the handle. Now here's the handle. Yep, and like I said, it comes with a strap. So here's the strap or whatever, and you just hook that up to there. Y'all, and then you have the little snaps, and they say Michael Kors right there, but you can just snap that right back together to give you that little, you know, close. But yeah, I want to show you guys that it's really nice size bag, and I just want to do a review on it. I'm trying to do a review on all of my bags because I am getting ready to sell quite a few of my bags because I have entirely too many bags. So I'm just to sell quite a few of them. So yeah, y'all, there is the Michael Kors Sutton bag, and this is in the size medium, and these bags are still available. So if you're looking for this bag, just check eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, OfferUp, just all of those sites, probably Amazon. A lot of these bags, y'all still can find them. You just really have to search. But a lot of bags are still available, older bags, if you're looking for it. But, yep. And that's it. And I will talk to you guys later. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.